Hello students, today's topic is multiples. Now what is multiple? Multiple is the product of two numbers, right? If we multiply two numbers, the answer which we get is called multiple. So let's write the definition. The product of two or more number is called multiple. Is called multiples. Now see here, if we multiply 2 and 4, the answer we will get is 8. Now what is 8? 8 क्या है? 8 is the product. जब भी हम किसी दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हमें आंसर मिलता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रोडक्ट. द answer is called product. So now product is the multiple. All right, in chapter multiples and factor you will study that 8 is multiple. Okay, and what are these two numbers? These are the factors of 8. So that is very important to know what is factor and what is multiple, right? So right now I am telling you about the multiples, and in the next video I will be telling you about the more about the factors. Okay, so after this let me tell you some properties and rules of multiples. Okay, so this you have already understood. What is multiple? Multiple is the product of two or more number is called multiple. Okay, now let's discuss some properties of multiples. Okay, so now the first property is every number, यानी सभी नंबर, every number is a multiple of which numbers? Multiple of 1 and number itself. Number itself मतलब वही number, same number, right? So now let me explain you this point with an example. So for example, there is a number 24. So 24 has 1 as a multiple and 24 also. So if we multiply 1 and 24 we will get 24. जब हम 1 को 24 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हमें 24 मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो these are the factors, right? These are the factors, and here we are talking about the multiple. So every number is a multiple of 1 and number itself. So here if we multiply 24 and 1, so we will get 24 as an answer. Got it? So we have these numbers. So got it? Every number we multiply. For example 8, we multiply 8 ones are 8. So now here we have 8 as an answer. So whenever we are multiplying with 1, so we will get the same number, right? So now let's discuss the second point. Now second point is the smallest. Smallest means सबसे छोटा. The smallest multiple of a number, okay, of a number is the number itself. As we were doing there, we were multiplying with 1. So now what is that? So here we are talking about the smallest multiple of a number. Smallest multiple. For example, there is a number 21. So what is the smallest multiple of 21? If we multiply 21 by 1, 1 is the smallest number. If we multiply by 0, we will get what? 0. So that is not the smallest multiple. We have to find out smallest multiple. So we have to multiply by 1. So we will get which number? We will get 21 as a answer, right? तो जब भी हम सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल क्या होता है किसी भी नंबर का, जब हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल मिलता है. ठीक है, अब लाइक 21 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 अगर हम करते हैं, सो वी विल गेट 42. सो 42 21 से बड़ा है, तो सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल क्या है? 21. So this is the smallest multiple. Now let's discuss the third point. So the third point is every multiple, okay, every multiple of a number, okay, of a number is equal to or greater than the number, right? सो इसका मतलब ये है कि जब भी हम कोई मल्टीपल निकालते हैं या तो वो उस नंबर के इक्वल होगा, लाइक 21 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 वी आर गेटिंग 21, सेम नंबर आ रहा है, इक्वल आ रहा है, या हमें बड़ा मिलेगा, जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने किया है 21 को. लेट्स टेक सेम एग्जाम्पल. सो इफ़ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 1 हमें सेम नंबर मिल रहा है, इक्वल मिल रहा है. एंड if we are multiplying with 2 then 3 and goes on, so we will get the greater numbers, right? So सभी जो multiples हैं वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ते जाएंगे, इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में बढ़ते जाएंगे. और सबसे छोटा क्या होगा, जब हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर क्या होगा, सेम नंबर. ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस द फोर्थ पॉइंट. नाउ द फोर्थ पॉइंट इज द मल्टीपल of a number are endless. If we are talking about endless, it means infinite. मतलब we can't count. Okay, so it's infinite. So here infinite और endless means कि किसी भी नंबर के हम बहुत ज़्यादा मल्टीपल्स निकाल सकते हैं, बट the important thing is that कि we don't have to multiply. For example, if we have to multiply 12 into 1 we will get 12. If we have to multiply by 22 we can multiply. If we multiply by 3, 3, 7, 8, 9, so it goes on. हम जितने चाहें उतने मल्टीपल निकाल सकते. So it's endless, infinite, unlimited. So multiples are unlimited. Remember always this point that multiples are unlimited or endless or infinite. मतलब जितने चाहें उतने बड़े आंसर हम निकाल सकते हैं. मल्टीपल कैन बी काउंटलेस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2 आर even numbers. That we all know. Even numbers are the number which are divisible by 2 or which comes in table of 2, that they are called even numbers, right? And the numbers which are not multiples of 2, what will be they? They will be odd numbers of 2 are called odd numbers. So you know what is even number, what is odd number? Odd numbers are numbers which are not coming in table of 2. जो 2 की टेबल में नहीं आते वो कहलाते हैं odd numbers, और जो 2 की टेबल में आते हैं they are called even number. So if we talk about even number, the example is if the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, तो वो कहलाएंगे even numbers. And if we talk about odd, so that will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. अगर ones place या last digit ये है तो वो odd numbers होंगे. ठीक है, so the fifth point is multiples of 2 are even number and which are not multiples of 2 they are odd numbers. This is the point. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's solve one question. For example, there's a question, write first 3 multiples of 8. Okay, for example there is a question, write first 3 multiples of 8. So what we have to do, first 3, that means first will be 8 ones are 8. If we multiply by 1 we will get the same number. Then 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, right? Then 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So we got how many multiples? 1, 2, 3. So they are the first 3 multiple of 8. So how to write the answer? कैसे हम आंसर लिखेंगे? The first 3 multiples, क्वेश्चन में जैसे दिया है वैसे ही लिखेंगे. द फर्स्ट 3 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8 आर 8, 16 and 24. Got it? And if it is asking write first 5 multiples, so we will go up to 5. 1 से 5 तक जाएंगे. इसी तरह से हम और क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर स्टूडेंट्स.